Are you looking for the best coating maintenance? FLUX Hybrid is the best solutions for you. FLUX Hybrid Ceramic Spray Wax is the most suitable solution to help you produce the quality of your car care results that are always luxurious every moment with just a simple effort. FLUX Hybrid also Nano Spray Wax is an option that can create a quality gloss finish like this in a very simple way, and this will be consistent for a long time because of its strong protective effect, which is not easily lost due to washing and UV. These are the benefits of FLUX Hybrid. First, it is easy to use and apply. Second, hydrophobic and detergent resistant. Third, it will give deep gloss effect. Fourth, brightening paint looks effect. Fifth, durability of protection for your vehicle, and lastly best for coating maintenance and regular maintenance.
For more information, contact our admin.
Hurry, visit Premio Malaysia for more info.